Everyone, let's get all the bags from the carousel first. Okay, I think that's all our luggage.
My bag and jacket are both here with me.
Good, let's go.
Wait! I cannot find my important small bag.
Yeah.
Please check every pocket in your backpack again. Is the passport there?
It's not here. Oh my. It has my phone, passport, and personal things.
Watch where you are going. What's wrong with you?
Let him be. Are you okay, Leo? Excuse me, sir. I've lost a small bag with money, cards, and ID.
We have deployed an investigation team at the airport, as there have been numerous reports of lost items. Please come with us.
How smart.
Sir, please step out of the line for inspection.
Sorry, sir. I think there's been a mistake here. It is barking again. Sorry, sir. We have to open your luggage. But I didn't do anything. No! Don't touch my stuff! Open it now, or we'll force it open.
Oh, that is my bag. I know it is mine. That scarf is mine. I lost it before.
My wallet is there too. He stole it. Officer, arrest him now.
You are under arrest for theft right now.
So remember, guys, at crowded places, always protect your things carefully, and never trust appearances too quickly in public places.
Yes, I will remember that.